हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैकर यूट्यूब एजुकेशन चैनल। आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 6 साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 10 मोशन एंड मेजरमेंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एमसीक्यूज। नंबर 1, विच टाइप ऑफ रेलवे इंजन वर इन्वेंटेड इन द बिगनिंग? स्टीम इंजन। सेकंड, which of the following is not an invention from the 20th century? Goods train. Third, which of the following is the largest unit of measure? Kilometer. Fourth, which of the following unit of length is smaller than a centimeter? Millimeter. Fifth, which is the standard device to measure length? Meter scale. Sixth, which is a practical unit to measure the distance between two cities? Kilometer. 7, what does the tailor use to make measurement your body? Measuring tape. 8, which of the following motion is executed by a fruit falling from a tree branch? Rectilinear motion. 9, what is the type of motion executed by the blades of fan? Circular motion. 10, the invention of which of the following modes of transport made space travel possible? Spacecraft. 11 number, what do you mean by a supersonic plane? Plane that flies at speeds greater than sound. Question number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 1, invention of the wheel made a great change in modes of transportation. A train running on single rail is called monorail. Third number, meter is the SI unit of length. Fourth, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Fifth, the unit of length used to measure the distance between Ahmedabad and Mumbai is kilometer. Sixth number, the unit of length used to measure the thickness of a table glass each millimeter. 7 number, the unit of length used to measure the length of the window of your classroom each meter. 8 number, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 9 number, 5 kilometer is 5000 meter. 10 number, the wire of a guitar excavate periodic motion. 11 number, motion of a child on a swing each periodic or oscillatory motion. Motion of the needle of a swing machine each periodic motion. 13 number, motion of the wheel of a bicycle is circular motion. Question number 3, answer the following question in one word. Number 1, which means of transport was used to travel along water routes in ancient time? Both. Second, which means of transport is used for air travel? Aeroplane. Third, what are the planes that travel at the speed more than that of sound called? Supersonic plane. Fourth number, convert 7450 meter in kilometer. 7.450 kilometer. 5 number, what is the type of motion executed by the wheels of a scooter? Circular motion. 6 number, what type of motion is executed by a child sitting in a merry-go-round? Circular motion. 7 number, which are the unit of length used to measure the thickness of the scale found in your compass box? Millimeter. 8 number, how many meter are there in 1 kilometer? 1000 meter. 9 number, how many centimeter are there in 2.5 meter? 250 centimeter. 10 number, how many centimeter are there in 1.65 meter? 165 meter. 4 number, mark the following statement with a true if true and with a false mark if false. Number 1, kilometer is the SI unit of length. False. Number 2, a flying butterfly perform rectilinear motion. False. Third, pendulum of a clock executed periodic motion. True. The earth perform rectilinear motion around the sun. False. A flying kite always perform rectilinear motion. False. A child sitting in a merry-go-round performs circular motion. True. 7 number, millimeter is a smaller unit than a centimeter. True. 5th number, answer the following question in one sentence, 1 mark each. Give one example of rectilinear motion. Motion of stone falling freely from a certain height is an example of a rectilinear motion. Second, what kind of motion is performed by ball rolling on ground? A ball rolling on ground is perform both circular motion as well as rectilinear motion. Third number, what kind of motion is performed by the hands of a clock? The hands of clock is perform circular motion as well as periodic motion. In ancient time, what did people use to measure the length? In ancient time, people used to measure the in ancient time people used to measure the length with the help of body organisms like finger, fist, hand, span, footstep to for measure. Fifth number, which device does a cloth merchant use to measure rod? A cloth merchant use measure rod for measure the cloth. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 से हम नेक्स्ट बात नहीं करने वाले हैं. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.